Okay, this is lesson 21 homework help, and in this lesson you're going to divide two-digit dividends, that means the number that you're dividing, and by two-digit divisors. So think about when you were kind of estimating, and I'm looking at this problem, 574 divided by 82. So I'm thinking about 80, and then I'm going to just take away the 0, and then I know that 8 times 7 is 56, which is really close. So I'm going to start with that one and see if it works. Okay, so remember our steps in division. First we divide, so we're going to divide this number by 7, okay, and then we multiply. So 8 times 7 is actually, if you do the math, 574, and then we subtract, and then there's nothing to bring down, and so your answer is 7. So I'm going to do one more with you. I'm going to do F with you, and then you see if you can do the rest of those on your homework for lesson 21. Okay, on this problem we have 640 divided by 79. So I'm thinking round that 79 up to 80. And then I think 8 times 8 is 64. So let's try 8 in this one and see what happens. Okay, if you do the math here, 8 times 79 is 632. So we're going through our steps. Next we subtract. We get 8. And then there's nothing to bring down, so, or we could do a decimal, or we could do remainder of 8, okay? Okay, let's look at number 2, which is like a word problem. It says it takes Juan exactly 35 minutes by car to get to his grandmother's. So he's driving to his grandmother's. It takes him 35 minutes to get there by car. The nearest parking area is a 4-minute walk from her apartment. Okay, so he parks and it takes him 4 minutes to walk to her apartment. One week, he realized that he spent 5 hours and 12 minutes traveling to her apartment and then back home. How many round trips did he make to visit his grandmother? So we're thinking of some steps here, and the first step is that we're going to have to add 35 minutes and 4 minutes because that's how long it took him to get from his home to his grandmother's house. And then we might have to do some division. Now in step 2, it says 1 week he realized that he spent 5 hours and 12 minutes traveling to her apartment and then back home. So we have to think about this. How many round trips did he make to visit his grandmother? So the second step is it would take 39 minutes to get there and 39 minutes to get back. And we're wanting to know round trips, so there and back. So we're going to need to double 39. So stop the video and figure that out. How many minutes does it take for the round trip to grandmother's and back? Now, we're having to think about our units here. So it takes 78 minutes to go there and back, okay? So that would be for the round trip. Now, it says 1 week he realized that he spent 5 hours and 12 minutes traveling to her apartment and then back home. So we need to take 5 hours, 12 minutes, and we need to divide it by our 78. But there's one more step before we do division. 5 hours, we have to change that to minutes and then add in the 12 minutes. So 5 times 60 and then add in 12 minutes. And then we'll do our division in step number 4. So stop the video right now and see if you can figure that out, step 3 and 4. Okay, I've put steps 3 and 4 on here for you. And so go ahead and figure out how many, do your division, and that's how many round trips that Juan made to his grandmother's house. And that would be 4 trips, not minutes.